Why? Yes. You know what? In education system, the same example we say as foundation. That's what we are here. We will provide the foundation for everything from your right now standard to your 12th standard. So how it should be very fruitful. See, this is a kit for gravitation. When we start any chapter in our classroom programs, we take every chapter with this kind of kits. For electricity, for magnetism, for gravitation, for lot of other chapters, we are having separate kits, and we give every single kit to every individual students, and they will perform the experiment in the beginning of the class, and then we go for the theory part and numerical part and conceptual parts. Okay, so this is one kit, and I will show you how this works. This is for the gravitation. So this is the part I will take out, and these are other parts. Can you tell me? So we are taking all the important parts out. Actually, we have less time, otherwise I would have chosen some students and they will perform the experiment. So suppose this is the kit, part from the kit, and I will connect this. This hole is here, I will take this up and fix here like this. And another part is here, this hole is here. The hole should be up. And then we have this, we'll put from this side to that side. I will tell you what is this and why to use this. Have you heard a word called weight? Weight. How have you weight? Right? So this is the machine we are constructing, and you can construct your own machine after learning this. And you can measure your, you can measure the weight in your home itself at small scale. It's not big, but it's fine. What I am constructing, this is called spring mass balance. And this you should understand in your 7th or 8th class. So guys, don't mind if I ask the unit of weight. If you will give the right answer, I will give this kit to you. I'll ask 3 questions, give me 3 answers and get this kit to you. And take it. Balance, and see, man is putting masses here. When you put mass here, this will go down like this, and when you put another mass, this will go down little more like this, right? So my point is, why it is important? You know what? Here in the beginning, when there is no mass inside, you can put the marking 0 kg, and when you will put some mass here, it will come down. So you will understand how much kg your weight is. Same phenomena, they design new machine, and we are having in like a playing machine. In shops, whenever you go with your parents, you can find this kind of machine, but the shape is not like this. Fundamental is like this. In future, if you are going to be a businessman, you can make this kind of basic machines, and you can earn a lot of money, and you can serve the country. So my point is, I asked, what is the unit of weight? First of all, kg is the wrong answer. If you you are interested in this. Now what will happen? In 10 minutes, we will finish this experiment in our classroom here itself. And after that, not today, in upcoming classes, and then we go for theoretical part, and then we go for numerical part, and then we solve IIT and medical questions. At this stage only, you are going to be a great foundation for your future. Thank you so much. So, she is Krushi, and she said, Newton, you will not believe, I was in some school and there no one said that Newton, and this school is amazing.